What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. I am Han, your go-to tech reviewer who always provides you with honest reviews. Today I have got something truly innovative to share with you, Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine. This device promises to revolutionize how we think about bathing, especially for those with mobility issues, outdoor enthusiasts, and even pet owners. Let's dive right into it. But before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. First off, let's talk about the design and portability of the Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine. Weighing in at just 4.3 kilograms, it's incredibly easy to carry and transport. Whether you are heading out for a camping trip, need an accessible shower solution at home, or want a more convenient way to wash up after a workout, we can use the Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine to wash hair quickly when we just get up and rush to work or rush to a date. The machine features 3 buttons and multiple indicator lights on top, adding it to its user-friendly design. The 3 buttons include a power button, a cleaning mode button, and a spray mode switch. When you press the spray mode switch, a green light illuminates, indicating that the spray mode is activated. Pressing the cleaning mode button activates the cleaning mode, and the blue light will illuminate to let you know it's engaged. Additionally, there are 4 battery indicator lights to keep track of the battery status and a blockage indicator light for added convenience. During the cleaning process, if you need a more thorough cleaning, you can press the water control button located in the middle of the handle to stop the water spray momentarily. With its 7800 mAh battery, it can offer about 1 hour of usage. Moreover, with a quick charging time of less than 2 hours and the option to choose between battery and plug-in, Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine ensures minimal downtime and maximum convenience. It's equipped with different cleaning heads tailored for washing hair, face, body, and even pets. Yoomiily includes a skin-friendly sponge scrubber that, when softened in water, promotes the maintenance of healthy skin. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for households with diverse needs. When it comes to speed and efficiency, the Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine truly shines. The entire process is quick and effective. You can wash short hair in just 1 minute, long hair in 3 minutes, and the whole body in 5 minutes. For pet owners, they don't need to go into the bathroom to bat their long-haired pets. It only takes 3 minutes and there is no problem of water draining. The water-saving capabilities of this device is amazing. In an age where water conservation is becoming increasingly important, Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine stands out by using only 300 ml of water for a full body wash. This is made possible by the efficient design, which ensures that every drop of water is used effectively. The self-contained water supply features a 3-liter tank, which is enough to serve up to 10 people. This makes it perfect for family use or even small group settings during outdoor activities. Now, let's talk about the drying feature. After washing, the Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine removes 90% of the water from your body, leaving you almost dry. This eliminates the need for a hair dryer or additional towels, making the whole process quick and hassle-free. Beyond just cleaning, Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine offers several skincare benefits. It provides deep skin cleansing and features antibacterial properties, ensuring that you not only get clean but also stay healthy. The specially formulated shower gel and shampoo included with the machine are designed to nourish the skin, tighten pores, and leave a lasting fragrance. Plus, the gentle cleaning process, which doesn't require rubbing the skin, is beneficial for maintaining healthy skin. Imagine the convenience for elderly individuals or those with limited mobility. Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine allows for a complete wash. For outdoor enthusiasts, this device is a must-have. Whether you are camping, hiking, or just spending a day at the beach, the Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine ensures you can stay clean and refreshed without needing to find a traditional shower. So, if you're looking for a portable, versatile, and efficient shower solution, the Yoomiily Shower and Dryer Machine is definitely worth considering. I have left the link of this product in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. It's currently available on Kickstarter with a very good early bird pricing. Well, don't waste this opportunity. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.